It's like am, first person birinci şahıs tek, first person singular, and jam plural. Tek singular, jam plural. Am, ig üstü dört, ig, ug, üg. Second person singular. Sen, sen. Like I am, we are, you are, sen, sen. Plural. Also you are, sen, siz, yeah. You are, blah blah blah. Sınız, siniz, sunuz, sünüz. For, above for. Third person singular. Der, dir, du, dir. Like he is, she is, it is. Okay. Plural. Der, dir, du, dir. Plus lar, lar. Aha. Onlar, onlar. Now we will use the combinations of these suffixes. Okay, I will give you. Do you have the examples here actually? Yeah. For example, onlar insandırlar.